Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Our readings today taught us one of the necessary part of someone being sent into mission by Jesus. And that is the gift of having someone to accompany you in mission, to be sent in pairs. Jesus in our gospel sent his disciples ahead of him in pairs to every town and place he intended to visit. And likewise, such was prolonged and such became a tradition when St. Paul himself was also in mission, to have Mark with him and to have Luke, today's feast day, be with Timothy as they go on with the mission. Importante ang may kasama, importante ang may parti ka o may kasama ka sa iyong misyon at sa inyong paglalakbay. At importante ang may kasama kapag kahaharap ng isang malaking misyon sa buhay. It won't not only help you unpack the burden of daily life. We know that companionship is there to at least guide us, to at least pacify us, to at least bless us with peace. But then, being sent in pairs or having someone by you in your mission will not only be about physical presence, that I have a friend, that I have a companion, but companionship will ultimately lead us to a realization that indeed God is with me. May kasama ako at dahil dyan, ramdam ko ang presensya ng Diyos sa buhay ko. St. Paul believed in such reality that the Lord stood by him and gave him strength so that through him, the proclamation might be completed. Hindi lang kasama ang katotohanan, kundi dahil ang kasama ko ang Diyos, magiging panatag ako sa aking misyon sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. I know perhaps that a lot of you would have your prayer companions. You would have your life companions. Your husbands or your wives, your partners, and the like. You have partners in your work. You have partners in your daily mission in life. And thanks be to God through them and for them. But let us go up to another level. Not only to accompany each other in pairs in mission and life, but let us also see them, let us see God in them. Not only human companions, but reminders that God is with us through them. We need also companions with such a heart, not only reminding us to go on with life, but companions reminding us that God is with us and God will continue to empower us in this life.